The IRC Create application will provide your students an opportunity to create and co-create their unique 3D environments in a web-based interface or augmented reality environments in the mobile version. The concept is the same for this application. You have the web-based interface where you as a teacher can create interactive lessons and have your students join in the activity and performing different tasks individually or in the group, as well as they can work on their mobile devices and create their unique augmented reality environments. This application does not need a marker. It's a marker-less solution, meaning once the application is launched, the students would be able to see the landscape chosen by you, the one that you've assigned to them, and they would be able to use the 3D object library to build in on top of that landscape. Let's have a look on how you can facilitate creative and co-creative lessons for your students in the web-based interface. Once the application is launched, you can choose a language you would like to facilitate the activity in, and you go to My Projects. That's how you start. And you can see there is a plus here. I do already have a list of projects that I've initiated, but if you would like to start a completely new project and assign it to a group of students, you click on the plus and you can see there is a wide variety of topics that you can choose from. Forest, island, and this could be applicable for any topic that you're teaching. Provides an opportunity for really interesting and creative environment for students to really express their ideas and show their design thinking skills. Once you've chosen the landscape, you have to give a project a name. Let's say I've chosen a garden and I click on Create a Project. Once the project is created, you can always click on View Lesson Activity Plans to provide you some ideas on how you can facilitate interactive lessons. Again, you can choose from the open library. If you have some ideas already, you're welcome to enter the full screen mode, and you can see that you have a landscape that you can manipulate in. You can click on the right button of your mouse to be able to rotate it left and right, and if you click on the left side of the mouse, you would be able to go up and down. The middle button and your mouse provide you an opportunity to zoom in, zoom out. On the right hand side, you have an open library of 3D objects, and you can see that you have a sliding bar that will take you to more objects that are currently available. The concept here is very similar. You pick up the object that you would like to use, you click on it, you hold it, you drag and drop, and you put it in on the landscape. Right here you can see that I'm the only person who is currently in the project. If I would like my students, an individual student or a group of students, if I would like to invite them, I click on Settings and you can see that there is a Share button. The way that you can invite your students is either providing a 5-digit code if your students will be joining from mobile devices, and as in previous applications, your students would have to launch the app, click on Join the class and input this 5-digit code. If you would like your students to join from their devices, laptops, Chromebooks or personal computers and work in the web-based interface where they would be able to do the 3D modeling experience, you can click on the copy link. In this case, you can share the link with your students, and once they click on it, they would be able to join in the class. I'll show you in a double window in a minute. There is also another opportunity for you to enter your students' email right here, and in this case, there will be an invitation sent to your students and they would be able to click on the link and join the activity. You're able to make a decision how many students and which students you want to invite for a specific activity. So let's say if you have a group of 20 students in your class and you want to create 4 different projects, you can share the link to one project with a certain number of students. They will be working on one project, and for the other students you you can do the same and invite them to a different project. When we talk about co-creation of specific environments, I mentioned to you that you can share the project with students by copying the link, and once your students click on the link, they will automatically join the environment. As you can see, they don't need to enter their nickname, they automatically will be coming into the project. On the right hand side you can see the student screen, on the left hand side you can see the teacher screen. On the student screen and the teacher screen, you both see that there are two people currently working in the environment, and you can see that we're working simultaneously. So if I put any objects right here as a student, the teacher sees what is happening. And on the other hand, if as a teacher I can also put objects here, and as a student I see. So it becomes a collaboration in a simultaneous environment of two or more people working on the same project. If your students haven't completed the project during the lesson, all your projects will be saved in My Projects, and for the next lesson you can just click on the project that you would like your students to continue working on. Again, click on Share and you can provide the same link. The students will be again joining the class and they will be able to finish their project. For this simultaneous multi-user co-creative activity, students do need to have stable internet connection because everything is done via internet, and the collaboration, as you can see, works in a real-time environment.